What's up, guys? It's November 22nd, 2024. As you see these two things, I was recording this video without having the mic on. So what I was saying was we had a super tight day, 31-point range in the morning, and it coiled down to 20-point range. It was a triangle. Every range is a triangle. Every triangle is a range. And I was getting shredded, and I made a little bit back here. Well, I finished up like barely 100. We have a bull channel, 50% pullback, and now we're rallying. It's a tough rally, lots of overlap. All these bull bars are closing on their highs, but they're selling off. So bears that short here got filled, they're trapped. Bears didn't get filled, bears didn't get filled, bears didn't get filled. Bears are not getting filled anymore. Bulls are getting filled, so it'll be interesting to see what happens next week. Here's the trend line. Today kind of caught me off guard because yesterday we had a high volatility open, but now, it kind of makes sense, right? Volatility, expansion, contraction. It makes sense after the bars are printed. Of course it does. We were ranging since bar 39 yesterday, and we just kept ranging all the way today. Still above the higher time frame anyway, so the market regime is bullish. Yeah. Bar 1, strong bull bar. Bar 2, pull back with follow through. Bar 3, breaking out of bar 2's high, but not the strongest breakout above yesterday's high. Bar 4, bad follow through at highs. Bar 5 is a trend line break. Bar 6 could be the start of leg 2. It could be the fourth leg. So leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3, leg 1, pull back. Leg 2. In ranges, legs are not symmetrical, and then bears get their second leg. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2. Very hard to catch, right? But by the time it looks ready to get short, the move reversed on you. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2. I got pretty much trapped on this leg and this leg here, looking for continuation. Here, I thought we were going to tag the lows. Here, I went for a breakout of the range. Got trapped, and then I shorted here. Got trapped here. I bought here. Got out here. I got short here. Scalped out there around this low and called it. Frustrating day nonetheless. Just everything I was looking for. It was a range day, and I'm a breakout trader. So hope you guys did all right. Didn't get too chopped up. 1.5 hours met with bar 1, and then 1 hour was not even 1 hour. 1 hour was barely met with bar 12. Then we rally leg 1, pull back leg 2 for the bulls. Excuse me. Then we have a bear leg 1, leg 2, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, wedge bottom. Then we rally for a few hours here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, goes into leg 4, creates a wedge top here. You see somewhat of a double top. 2 strong bear bars, 37, 38. These 2 bear bars are bigger than the entire rally. These 2 bear bars are testing the breakout point, and we go for another rally. This rally was a little bit cleaner. You count it leg 1, pull back leg 2. In trading ranges, it's very common to get second leg traps, and that's pretty much what we got all day today was a second leg trap. If you weren't fast enough to scalp out, it reversed on you pretty quick. I remember wanting to get long here, but I was like, you know what? I'm profitable. Let me chill. And look, as soon as I wanted to get long, I didn't get long, but look, it shot down. I would have been red for the day. So it goes to show, like, today was, I think, one of the harder days we've had in a long time. Hope you guys didn't get too shredded. Leg 1, deep pullback, leg 2. Opposite bar, leg 3, pull back, leg 4. Or you could say leg 1, pull back, leg 2. That's kind of how I was counting it. Bar 58 is climactic, and then we have a rally. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, second leg trap. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, second leg trap. We rally for the end of the day. Very flat rally. Trading above the higher time frame EMA. Today's price action today's breakdown to be kind of quick because we were super flat. We talk about gaps. I guess we could talk about gaps, right? I always talk about gaps. Gap in trending environment, stay open. Gaps in range bound environment, stay closed or get closed. Excuse me. Thought there was a gap around here. Here's a bull gap. Small bear gap. It is pouring. If you guys are in North California, I'm out in San Francisco. If you guys are in San Francisco, it is raining so bad. I love the rain, but I also like staying dry. But I do like rain a lot. It matches my soul. Another gap here. Gap here. All these gaps are getting closed, and that's how we read context, right? Gaps are getting closed. We're in a range. And if we're in a range bound environment, we have to scalp and be quick. Of course, I didn't click we were in a range bound environment to bar 48. I thought this was like some sort of rally, pullback, double bottom, rally like one, pullback, and then around 45 rallied. Didn't make a new high, but I thought we were going to see higher prices. Looks like we got pinned right under 6,000 today. And then we have a gap down right here. Not a gap down, but we have a gap that gets closed too. See how all these bars are getting closed. It's a very challenging day. We could use, so if it's a leg one pullback, leg two, we do deep pullbacks here. You could buy this and, buy it like that. 1 hour is met. And then you have this leg here, bar 12, super deep pullback, you short 19, 1 hour is met. You have this rally here. You buy here, 1 hour is not met, and the price starts shrinking, so 1 hour is not met even more and more. Here's this leg. Okay, 1.5 hours met there as soon as I said that, and that is such a small trade. For getting chopped up, that's not gonna. 10 points, not too bad. Tough day. Here's a good leg that looks like it should get continuation. You buy the pullback 63, it fails on you. You hit. That's a quick snap of a 1 hour. I haven't taken a 1 hour loss in a long time. Looks like today was a lot quicker, guys. 8 minutes. We haven't had one of those in a while. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good weekend. Hope you have a safe weekend. If it's raining where you're at, please be safe. It's easy to get in a car accident. It's Thanksgiving weekend. Prior to Thanksgiving weekend, cops are going to be out. Don't drink and drive. Eat a lot of food. Drink a lot of wine. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for always tuning in. I hope you guys have a good weekend, a safe weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. If you learned something, share the show.